See you again.
Thank you.
See you again.
Thank you. This is Minister Minister of Finance. James Bolonaka. Thank you. This is Governor Api Wabiro. Governor of Yes.
Welcome.
This is Governor Powi, Governor for Southern Island.
Nice to meet you.
This is Jeffrey Komal, member for Nipakutubu. Yes. And this is the director at the PAL, Jack Maru. And, Stan. Thank you. Good to see you again. You too. Nice to see you again. How are you? Half of the band is here. Two-thirds. That's your spa?
So welcome to our spa. We have 8 treatment rooms in here. Identical on both sides. And this is our lounge waiting area.
This is the place you don't want to live. Oh, very nice. So, what's the conference capacity?
400 people we can fit into here, plus our breakout area as well. And then we have the potential to put, additional marquees on the lawn. But it's a beautiful
We have to
outlook.
move some of those conferences from the menu.
We certainly do. So this is the conference center.
Yeah, move them here.
That's the conference, soundproof.
Yes.
This is a great big area.
Yes, it is. Yeah. So we've gone for a different look, sort of mixing the wall tiles up in
Bola menaka. Oh, very nice.
So this is our premium ocean view room.
Very good. This is to me the better view.
We've still got one more.
Oh.
Have these lights specially made as well. So all the artwork is different in every room also. Underwater artwork. So this view here, you get...
This is a nice view.
This is amazing. This is Augustine's favourite room. So you get straight down the river, you get Benga, and if you stand to the side, you can just see Unutha as well. Sensational.
Thank you, Augustine, for giving me an opportunity to be part of tonight's show. Great show. Thank you. I know I have some competition at the back there. Thank you, honorable members, ministers from Papua New Guinea, and honorable ministers from Fiji, honorable members of parliament from both nations, provincial governors from Papua New Guinea, Your Excellency, the High Commissioner for Papua New Guinea to Fiji, Chairman and Managing Director of the Mineral Resources Development Company, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Minaka, Hapinam, and a very good afternoon, very good evening to you all. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the $85 million transformation of the Pearl Resort is a very warm, welcome milestone in the development of the tourism industry in Fiji. So I'm delighted to be here in Pacific Harbour this evening to officially open a new extension and the 132 rooms that are being added to the resort. I'd like to begin by welcoming all of our guests from Papua New Guinea, not only government ministers and MPs, provincial governors and senior executives of MRDC, but landowners and shareholders from PNG's Western Province and the province of Southern Highlands. Your presence here today, Your Excellencies, symbolizes the growing strength of the people-to-people relationship between our nations, as well as our business ties. And I hope you enjoy your Fijian experience. The Pearl Resort is one of the two major investments by Papua New Guinea in our tourism industry. The other, of course, being the Grand Pacific Hotel in Suva. And in both instances, investors from PNG had the foresight to realize that these properties had huge potential and possessed the financial resources to unlock that potential. To MRDC and the landowners who benefit from its investments, I especially want to say how much my government appreciates your confidence in Fiji. Thank you, Tomas. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we are certainly worthy of that confidence, and the evidence for that is all around us. Tourism in Fiji has grown by 9.5% compared with the corresponding period last year. And we are seeing a clear upswing in capital investment in the tourism sector, which, as you all know, is Fiji's biggest revenue earner and an important source of income for the Fijian people through the employment it generates. Any investment on this scale is significantly boosting the number of jobs our people need to care for themselves and their families, as well as, of course, contributing to the overall well-being of the national economy. And I'm especially pleased that this is happening here at Pacific Harbour, an area that is only now starting to fulfill the promise that they have believed possible for it since the 1970s. All this is happening at the best possible time for the Pearl and its investors to ride the wave of optimism, sweeping Fijian tourism and the Fijian economy generally. As I said yesterday, we believe that the 5.3% annual growth that the Fijian economy enjoyed last year is just the start. So the confidence that you have placed in Fiji with this investment is certain to reap you considerable rewards in the years to come. Visitor arrivals are at an all-time high, not only from our traditional markets of Australia, New Zealand and North America, but emerging markets such as China and India. And we intend to capitalize on the growing global interest in Fiji by allocating an unprecedented amount to Tourism Fiji to market the country as a holiday destination. As you know, our current marketing slogan is Fiji, where happiness finds you. I happen to believe that the slogan itself isn't as important as the way our people live up to it. And that's what we encourage in resorts like the Pearl, sending our guests home feeling spiritually enriched as well as physically relaxed after their holidays. And all because of their interaction with the Fijian people. I said recently that any number of countries have a stretch of beach and a cold drink to entice their visitors. But the magic of Fiji is the genuine connection our visitors form with the Fijian people and the warmth of the welcome they always provide. It's what sets us apart and makes us such a compelling choice of destination. Truly the Pearl of the South Pacific, if you'll forgive me for appropriating your name to make this very important point. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, this fresh investment in the Pearl is already having a positive impact on the development of the Pacific Harbour and will be an important contributor to the national economy as a whole. So we all look forward to the positive spin-offs of a project that is truly unique, the first hotel and beachfront development in Fiji that also includes a river marina. From 78 guest rooms before the renovation, the Pearl has now expanded to 210 rooms, plus a new 400-seat convention center, a 250-seat brazier, a fine dining restaurant, a spa, and a wellness center, a gymnasium, and a chapel for weddings. With its close proximity to Suva, it promises not only to be a magnet for international visitors, but also residents of the capital. And with its unique architecture, the distinctive white sails on the roof, the Pearl is also staking a claim to be different. And every Fijian joins me in wishing the resort every success. To the MRDC, thank you for your confidence in Fiji. To the contractor Pacific Solutions, congratulations on the job well done. And to the staff who will work here always remember that the attraction of Fiji isn't so much the place as the people. And we look to you to work as hard as possible to make the new Loop Pearl a success. Congratulations to all of you for re-energizing Pacific Harbour and the surrounding region. The Pearl has certainly added luster to our tourism industry as a whole, and now I have great pleasure to declare these new facilities open. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.